Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorsHub. Want to explore business plan for your team? This is here. I will show you SelectorsHub Pro, how you can quickly get started with the business plan and how simple it is. This is very simple, just 3-4 steps hardly it is required. So just go to SelectorsHub website, click here on SelectorsHub Pro. Here you can read about what is this all about and the installation and how to get started. So I will highly recommend that you click on this, how to get started. And here you see that the very first step is click to add pro version to your browser. So please add this first in your browser. So click on this. This will work on all the Chromium browser. Click add to Chrome, add extension, and here after adding it you will have to pin this to toolbar. So pin it to toolbar. Now we are here. You can click here as well and see. Let's come back here, and then here you can see that compare and take the free trial. So you can click on here. Now you see that here you will be having all the plans. So for individuals, so I have separately created a tutorial for individual, like how you can start with individual. Here I will explain how you can start with your team and take the business plan. This is very straightforward. Now suppose for India, if you are coming from India, you can check out the plans, this one. If you are from outside India, you can check out this plan. We have to create separate plan because of like different currency and government regulations. So except that nothing different. Then here you will not have the free trials. If you want to take the free trials, of course you check out this, but highly recommended, business plans are highly recommended if you are taking it for your company and for your business. So let's say for an example we want for India. So you click here and it will show you that here it will take you to the business plan of India. Then if you have a team size of, let's say 1 to 10 member team, then you can choose this one. If you have more than that, like let's say you have 16 member team, you can check it here, like more than 20 if you have 20, if you have more than 20 you have. So likewise there are plans. So suppose let's say we have a 1 to 10 member team, so we can choose this one by default one, or you can choose the monthly plan as well. It's just very cheap for a company, it's just nothing. Very cheap it is. So this is annual plan, so I will highly recommend that you go for the annual one, because there you will get, this is the most popular plan and it's a 50% off as well. So let's say we want for like 10 members team we want. So click on this, select this plan, and once you select that, it will take you to this page, Stripe page, and this is absolutely safe and secure payment gateway, of course the Stripe we are using. So here you can enter your card details and you can make the payment. Once you will take the subscription plan, you will get the login credential. Those will be the admin login credential which you can use, and you can add your team members. So let's now make the payment here, and then we will proceed further. I will show you how you can add the team members and how you can make it useful for whole your team. So let us make the payment here now. Great. So now we have taken the business plan for 1 to 10 members team, and here I mean it's basically 10 members teams plan we have taken. So here you see that, here you will see the thanks for subscribing, and this page you will see like this, and you have been charged immediately, and next time you will be charged next year after, like of course this is a 1-year plan, so next year you will be charged. Great. You must have received an email with admin login credential which you have used while taking this subscription plan. So open that email. There inside your input box you will see this email. If you doesn't found in your inbox, please check in under promotion tab as well, or spam folder. 99% of the chances that it will come in your inbox only. If it goes in promotion or social, please check out there as well. If you found any difficulty, I'm always here, so you can connect to me and write us on selectorshub@gmail.com. So you can see that here you have this user ID and password, and the next steps are also mentioned here. So what you have to do now, just go here. Let's say we have already installed SelectorsHub, so just open any website. So for an example, I'm opening SelectorsHub itself. Click on inspect, and here you will see that this is the 2 arrow. So SelectorsHub Pro will be the last tab here. So when you will open here, it will open like this. Here you have to enter these credential which you have received in your email, and then there inside you will have a profile. Click we will have to click on that profile button, and then we will be able to add our team members. So I will show you how you can do that. So yeah, so here let's enter the email ID and password and then click on login. So I'm doing that. Boom, so we have logged in, and here we are. As soon as you enter an email ID, password, and click on login, it will show you this window. So here you will see that everything is there, and you can enjoy using it. And now you click here on profile tab, here profile button on the left, bottom left. Click on this, it will open a window here, and you can see that your renewal date, as well as you can now here, if you want to add your team members, so here you can enter your team members full name. So let's say I want to add a team member name here, so I can enter the name, and then email ID, we can enter here the email ID. So make sure that you enter the correct email ID of your team member, because here you would not be able to edit or update the team members. So I mean, you cannot edit and update, but you can add team members. So maximum, because you have taken a 10 members team plan, so you can add up to 10 members. So let's say we enter the email ID here of our team members. So suppose that is Sanjay @selectorshub.com. Then I will click on add new team member. This email has been already taken. So if any email ID or if any member you have already added, or somebody has already taken the subscription plan, then it will show you that. So that is the reason I wanted to show you guys that one. Now suppose I want to add a different team, I mean fresh. Always make sure that you add a fresh email ID here. So let me enter sanjay.kumar@selectorshub.com and click on add new team member, and it will be added here. This person, this email ID will receive an email that with the login credential, and they can use the login credential to log inside the SelectorsHub window. So what your team member will have to do now, they have to go here. Simple, they can install SelectorsHub. Ask them to install SelectorsHub, and after that they already have the login credential. They can directly log in inside the SelectorsHub Pro. They need not to again take the subscription. So they can just add SelectorsHub in their browser, and they can log in with the credential what they have received in their email after you have added them here. Likewise, you can add 9-10 the remaining team members, you can add it. So this is how you can start with the business plan. It's very simple, straightforward. You just have to whatever we have discussed so far. So you just have to simply, if you are new, add to the browser, take a subscription plan, whatever login credential you have got in your email, just log in with that, and you can add the team members. And that's how you can start, and whole team can enjoy the incredible features of SelectorsHub Pro. Thank you. If you have any doubt, feel free to reach out to me. If you have any question, any doubt, you can just contact us here, and or you can write us at selectorshub@gmail.com, or you can connect with me on any of the social media platform. Thank you so much.